Part 1 done. I've cleared the entrance. If you watched my videos last week, guys, when I did the test on the Saturday, I did 2 tests. What it's all to do with is the Mini 5 Pro, the RC2 controller, which has got the latest update in it, which I've done a couple of weeks ago. I'm doing the Advanced Return to Home, the same as before. In the first test, I had quite a few, I think I had 4 of you saying, put it in Nifty Mode. And what the Nifty Mode is, just makes it go a little bit faster. Is it a good idea? I don't know. We're going to find out. This could be one of those quick videos, because I haven't tried this out yet, guys. So what you need to do is scroll down from the top there. What I need, no I don't. Settings. Got it on bypass. Now if you notice next to the bypassing options, I've got it on normal. I'm going to put it on Nifty. You know what, I'm useless at reading stuff. I've got it on optional, which is the other thing for Advanced Return to Home. I think I'm ready. So the idea of this first test is I'm going to send the drone out through the doorway, send it out a bit in the country there, press Return to Home. Hopefully it's going to come back in, which it did last week, but I've got it in Nifty Mode. So anyway, let's get a drone up in the air. Auto take off, got 25 satellites in here. This has got a roof on it, guys. There's some little bits of holes, but it's got a roof. Okay, so what I am going to do, I'm just going to get behind the drone a bit. In fact, get myself killed. Okay, so fly it out the door. Now, if you also noticed, I cut some. Right, so hopefully it's gone out. Put it up. Off we go. That's all looking good. I'm going to send it out a little bit further than I did before. Let's get. If you notice, I'm a feet and inches man. Okay, we've still got a good signal. Okay, return to home. Let's see if it works. I'm going to go back over here again. I can still see what's going on the screen. I've got my fingers crossed. Because I don't want to lose this drone. I'll tell you what. I bought this drone, I don't know, a couple of months, no, last year obviously. I was a little bit downhearted with it really. I was expecting a lot more, but since the past couple of weeks, the things that you can do with the Mini 5 Pro is just amazing. Now it's coming in, it's coming down to the front of the property. I can see the green route. Now at the moment, it looks like, no, I'm just going to put, I'm just going to put on the video footage a minute. Right, and I'm going to press the C2 button, which is asking. So it's going, because last time it just wouldn't go through that first doorway. It's doing it. It's done it. I can see the shadow. Isn't that amazing? So this is obviously in Nifty Mode. So remember that, guys. If you want to try something like this, Nifty Mode. And it's already landed on the landing pad. Okay, so that's the first test. The second test, I'll see you in a mo. Now the second test, Kev, we're the Roberts. Fantastic channel, guys. Check it, please check it out. Now Kev said to me, why don't you fly the drone outside? Obviously it's got its home point here. Fly into the building through the 2 doors, land it, new home point, done as what I've done before, fly it out, and it should go back into the house. That sounds easy, doesn't it? But I always find, usually when I do a second test, it all goes to pot. But we're going to find out. RC2, Mini 5 Pro. One thing what people were moaning about was the noise. So what I've done, I've turned the volume down on my controller because I know it's a little bit annoying, wasn't it? I haven't turned it off completely, but I just thought I'd better show you that anyway. Okay, so anyway, we're all ready to go. I got 87 on the battery. Let's get the drone up. It's already saying home point is being done, which I didn't really hear. Okay, let's fly it towards the building. Let's get over this bush. Now, last time I'd done this, I think what I'd done, I brought it down a bit too low. I'm just going over that bush that's in the middle. I've just gone over a little bit. And I think this is a good test for testing out what's going on the screen, guys. Now, I've got my obstacle avoidance on. I'm just going to bring it in. I also got bypass on, just to let you know. And I've still got the Nifty Mode. I'm just lining that up. There's no wind. Well, there is a little bit of wind, but nothing drastic. Okay, I'm taking it in. Right, I've got yellow. I'm just going to move the gimbal down because I've got a camera in there. What I don't want to do is land on the camera. Okay, so I'm going to turn it around so I can see the doorway, which is just about there. I've still got satellites, which is good. I'll put up the gimbal. Okay, I'll just bring it up a little bit more, and I'll see if I can just bring it back a little bit. No, that'll do. Okay, let's bring it down. Right, I've got 24 satellites, which is good. So what's going to happen now that when I do the takeoff, it's going to fix the home point in there, guys. So let's get it off. Up it goes. It's all looking good. All looking good. Let's bring that forward, out through that one. And right, let's bring it on a bit more straight. Oh, so you've gone a bit too fast there. That was me. These sticks. Okay, take it up and away. Right, so there was a little bit of a problem on that second door as I was coming out. I don't know how that's going to mess with the bringing it back in, but we'll see what happens. It's going out a bit of a distance. Okay, so I think that's good. Let's do return to home, and while I'm doing that, I'll put on the video footage. Now, one thing I shouldn't have done last week, and I did do it on the second one, is I turned off the obstacle avoidance. Guys, I should have learnt my lesson. I mean, thankfully, I know I did crash at one period, but that was nothing to do with obstacle avoidance. But when I was up on the mines in the distance there, I turned it off, and it just flew straight into a solid brick wall, smashed the arm off. It was out of action for about 6 months, and then I sent it back to DJI and they fixed it. But yeah, so don't turn off the obstacle avoidance. Not unless you really have to. Okay, so we're coming in. It should be dropping down in a moment. Oh, there it is. It's just coming down now. It might not catch it on the camera. Okay, I've got my C2 button, which is asking me to pressing it now. Okay, now there's a bit of a bush there. It's coming in at an angle. It's going straight in there. It's going in. Is it going to turn itself around? I think it is. It worked. One more test, guys. I've got my Mini 4 Pro. I've got my RC2 controller. At the moment, I'm just reconnecting to the Mini 4 Pro. So anyway, I'm going to do the same test as I've done before. I'll just go into make sure everything's on. I've got safety, bypass. Right, so because I'm using a different drone, I'm going to try Nifty. Okay. And I should have it on optional. Never tried this before with the Mini 4 Pro, so we're going to see what happens, eh? So we'll do takeoff. Is this a good idea? I don't know. So anyway, what I'm going to do, I'm going to do what I did in my last test. You can't see me, I know, but I'll tell you about it when I get in there. Okay, I've got it on normal. I just want to get past that bush that's in the middle there. Alright, now hopefully I can come down. Just move forward a bit. I'm a little bit high. Let's bring it in a bit more. Okay. Right, something's just turned itself off. What that was about. Okay, for some reason, oh, it is. It's right. It won't. All right, let's come down a bit. Let's bring it in a bit. Okay, my shaky fingers. All right, got it in there. Okay, let's get to the next one. You can see I'm a little bit more nifty. God, it's we have got a bit of wind. I'm just going to the back wall. It's gone yellow. I'm going to turn the drone around because what I'm going to do is what I've done last week is when I press return to home in the building so it come back to me. I'll just see if I can go back a little bit more. Okay, that's about as far as I got. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to press return to home because last week it all went pants, didn't it? But this week, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Okay, it's going out the first door. It's going up over the other one. and it's okay. So it sort of worked. It's sort of interesting that. And see if it's going to land on a landing pad. That's be another test. It does. No. It's looking good. It's looking good. I don't know if you can see that. It's looking good. I'll just see if you can see that with my dark glasses on. It's just, anyway, if you can't, tough. So the summary: Mini 5 Pro, Mini 4 Pro. I'll tell you what, guys, two fantastic drones if you own them, or thinking about buying one of these. So in today's test, I did 3. I did plan to do 2. I was a little bit concerned about this one. Was it going to work at all? But it did, didn't it? So with the Mini 5 Pro, Nifty. I've got to thank all you guys that said, Shaun, try out Nifty. Hey, and that worked. But I had to do, obviously, a little bit of trimming down there to get rid of some of the bushes that was causing a problem. So I think that also helped as well. But that Nifty, I think, did as well. Mini 5 Pro, wow. Did it all, didn't it? And even did Kev's question. So I've got to thank you for that, Kev. Mini 5 Pro, fantastic. So yeah, I nearly fell over that stone then. I was really chuffed with that. Now I'm going to put out a question to Andy, but I've got a feeling he ain't got the Mini 4 Pro. Or have you, Andy? I know you got the Neo 2, the Neo. The Neo 2 won't do what we've been doing today, unfortunately. But if you have, because I know your son Adam, he's got the Air 3S, am I right in thinking? So that should work. Even though, obviously the wood might be a little bit dodgy, because obviously it's a bigger drone. Well, you know, Andy, got to try it out, haven't you? Maybe. I don't know. It's up to you, Andy. I'll put it out there for you. If you can do that through the wood, that'd be amazing. But I'd understand if you said, no way, Jose. Anyway, guys, end of the day, hope you enjoyed the video. That's the main thing. I really enjoyed that. I didn't think it was going to work, unfortunately. But it did, didn't it? Eh? Wow. Isn't it amazing what these little drones can do? Even this thing, the Mini 4 Pro, which has been out quite a while. All these drones are all updated. The RC2 controller was updated a couple of weeks ago. Yeah, no problems, guys. So, as always, there'll be another video coming way sooner. Changed it, haven't I?